Step into this blossoming world of Northern Nevada's real estate market this spring season.
As nature awakens and flowers bloom in this picturesque region, join us on a journey through the vibrant spring market, where we uncover the latest trends, opportunities,
and challenges awaiting both buyers and sellers in this season of change.
Let's take a look at the numbers for South Meadows for March 2024. Median sales price was $700,000, up 3% from March 2023. Closed sales was 29 homes. Median days to contract was 7 days. Active inventory right now in the South Meadows area is 31 homes. Month supply of inventory is 1.1 months, making it a very strong seller's market.
So now let's compare first quarter 24 versus the first quarter 2023. Median sales price was $708,000, up 7.5% from last year. Both first quarters at 86 closed sales in South Meadows. Median days to contract, 11 days in the first quarter 2024, moving 20 days quicker than the first quarter 2023. New listings, 104 homes in the first quarter versus 97 last year. So the good news, more homes are starting to come on the market in South Meadows. In this ever-changing real estate market, every day it fluctuates. Interest rates are up, interest rates are down, inventory's up, inventory's down. It's so key to have your finger on the pulse of the market.
That's why it's so important to have experienced agents by your side every step of the way. We formulate a strategic plan just for you to get you from point A to point B smoothly and successfully.
Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you next time.
For all your real estate news, local market updates, and Northern Nevada events and lifestyle, check us out on all your favorite socials.
Turn on notification, put a comment in there. What city, what county, what street you want some information on in your neighborhood. Turn on notifications and smash that bell.
We're Amy and Billy Boylan with the Boylan team.
You love what we do?
And you will too.